Chrome extension, it enhances the Chrome ability. Also, if you are using a desktop or laptop, that means there is a chance that you could be already using Chrome extension. And here is our top 60 plus helpful Chrome extension to make your job easier. Also, all the extension mentioned in this video not only support on the Chrome as well as support other browser too, like Opera, Brave, Microsoft Edge 2. And guys, all the extension and website mentioned in this video, you will find all the link in video description. Please do check that out. Number 1. Let's start with some beautiful things. Momentum. It replaces new tab page with a personal dashboard and daily inspiral photo and code that will help you to stay focused. Number 2. Free download manager. If you are those person who often download large file from internet, then this one is for you. Also, it's fast and reliable. Like if you are downloading something and often face error and slow downloading speed, sometimes it can't be resumed and sometimes full crash, you have to download it again. But this free download manager will solve that problem for you. Thanks to the free download manager. To use free download manager, first you have to download free download manager application. Then download the free download manager extension. Basically, the extension will integrate to the browser, and when you try to download something, it will download through the free download manager, not on your browser downloader. And good thing about that, it's absolutely 100% free and there is no ads. And when you are downloading something and face some error or network disconnected or can't solve this issue automatically, even though you resume it, now you can just download this file again and escape it. It will fix your issue. Also, it can download even YouTube video or audio with lots of format. Number 3. Setup VPN. Have you ever visited a website that have been blocked by your ISP or government, or maybe not available on your country? In that situation, VPN came handy to unblock that website, and Setup VPN is a good thing about that. It's free and we all love free things. Just create an account and you are good to go. In free user, you will get some different country to select to it. Also, you will get decent amount of speed. And this is my without VPN speed test, and this is my with VPN speed test. Guys, one thing you need to remember here, speed depend on which server you are selecting. Maybe selecting server is not that close as your country, that's why your speed is dropping, or selecting other server may find some speed boost because it may closer to your countries compared to other one. So keep that in mind. Also, it has premium version. It has lot more speed boost compared to free one. If you wish, then you can try that out. It's a really good VPN. Number 4. Picture in picture. Basically, it allows you to watch video on floating windows. So you can watch video while you are doing other tasks, and you can resize the video according to your need. Also, default shortcut key for picture in picture, Alt+P. Number 5. We often find video that has low volume. In that situation, 100% volume is not even enough. Now, thanks to the Volume Master, it can boost volume up to 600%, and it's enough to get rid of low volume. And if you are facing full screen issue while using Volume Master, just press the F11 to enter full screen mode and press F11 again to exit the full screen mode. Also, you can drag and drop media file from Explorer and use Volume Master to increase volume. Another way, you can use VLC Media Player to increase volume. It can increase volume up to 200%. Number 6. Do you know guys, you can record your screen and your webcam by just helping of one single Chrome extension? Yes, it's possible by just helping of Vimeo Record. Yes, it's free and with no watermark. Also, quality is not even that bad and really easy to use. Just log in with your Vimeo account and start recording. And when you done with your recording, click the stop sharing. Now it automatically upload to your Vimeo account with private link. But don't worry, you can click the download button and delete this recording. Number 7. As you know, you can't download Instagram, images, videos, stories. But by helping of IG Downloader, you can download all of this. And when you add it to your Chrome, you will see a download button will add up to your Instagram. Now you can download all of this at once. If you wish, then you can download a entire account images, videos at once too. And please be careful not to download too many images at once because Instagram can block you temporarily because of too many downloads. But guys, I download more than 200 images at once, but I didn't face any issue. Please guys, be careful about that. We often use internet over the night and white background theme is really irritating, especially in night time. As you know, not all of the website has dark mode. Even though you choose your system color dark and website remain as it is white. In that situation, dark mode came handy and it's a lightweight extension, also easy to use, just like toggling a button. Also, I set a custom shortcut key Alt+1. Our next extension, you probably already know about it or currently you are using one of these, Adblock or Adblock Plus. These are two most popular widely used adblocker extension and both are really good, also has different feature. And most likely you probably not use this feature because most people use things as it is by default and don't mess with settings. But you can try that out. Like in Adblock Plus, block cookies warning, and in Adblock, I don't care about cookies. Both are same feature. Basically what it does, it block the cookies warning, but in my personal experience, it can't block all of the cookies warnings. And if you really want to block all the cookies warnings, then you should try I don't care about cookies extension. It really almost block all the cookies warning from all the website. Then block push notification, but it didn't work as I expected, or it should be. I can see still the push notification. But here is the best way to block push notification. Go to your browser settings and navigate to the site settings and click on the notification. Now you will see all the website which can send you notification. Now you can simply block that website, or if you don't want no site send you notification or ask you to send you the notification, then you can click on don't allow site to send notification. Then block social media icon tracking and block additional tracking. But I didn't see any number of tracker they have blocked. And talking about tracker, if you really care about your privacy or online tracking activity, then you should use DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials. It can really block the tracker. Also, it will show you how much tracker they have blocked. And make sure you are not synchronizing your browsing history to Google. This way, you will be most privacy protected. And remember, this extension will replace your default search engine to DuckDuckGo for protect your privacy. And as you can see guys, in Adblock and Adblock Plus, currently these settings are not working properly. But in future, I hope this setting will work properly. And guys, here is the thing. After you install Adblock or Adblock Plus, you could see still some ads. and here is why. Because by default allow acceptable ads is turned on, and I think you should leave turn on as it is, because as you know guys, for lots of the website, ads is the only way to earn money. Also, you can allow ads on a specific YouTube channel, and then allow ads on a specific Twitch channel, but it says requires restarting your browser, and I try after restarting my browser and my computer too, but it remain as it is, require restarting your browser. There is a filter called adblock warning remove list. It doesn't work exactly what it says. I don't know guys, if this feature doesn't work, why they are added this feature or whatever. Number 10. Mercury Reader. If you read article, sometimes it really get irritating for lots of distraction in some of the websites. But now you can remove distraction in one single click. Basically it leaves only text and image for clean and constant view experience on every site. And you can change the text size, typography, theme according to your need. Number 11. As you know guys, it's not possible to know all the language. For that reason, sometimes we have to search that on particular word in internet. But that's not the best way to search word meaning. Instead of search word meaning this way, you can use Google Translator. Now we can select any word or entire line and choose Google Translator. Now select the language in which you want to translate. You can translate the entire page by Google Translate. Also, you can play the listen button, so it will automatically read for you and you don't have to read any boring text. I know reading is boring. Also, you can select the document tab. Now choose a document with doc, docs, PDF and text format. Also, as you can see here, all the supported format. Now click on browse your computer and select your document, and now choose in which language you want to convert. Now click on translate. It will automatically translate your document. Guys, remember this, as my own experience, not all of the document it can convert even though it's correct format with correct font. I don't know why. Also, maximum upload file size is 10 MB. And good thing about that, it has Android application. In Android, you can use instead scan, import feature and conversation. Number 12. I think it will blow your mind. If that doesn't, then I don't know what will. And whatsoever, as you know, we everyone say password on browser. But did you ever think how strong or vulnerable is your safe password? Let's find out. And it's called Web Browser Pass View. And it basically allows you to watch your all the safe web browser password in Internet Explorer 4.0 to 8.0, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, also Brave too. Even though I try to watch my password from browser, it asking me the admin password except Firefox. But when I using Web Browser Pass View, it didn't asking me any type of authentication. Also, you can save all the password in a text format. So that's why it's always better to use any type of password manager like LastPass or Dashlane, etc. Basically, it stores your password on hard bolt. So if you download any malicious code by mistakenly, then don't worry, it can't harm your password, because all the safe password, it's not on your computer, it's on password manager bolt, and you just have to remember the master password. Remember, don't save your master password on your browser, because it could be dangerous if your master password got compromised. Number 30. Like, if you are reading and want to write article or anything at once and you don't have any dual monitor, for that reason you can use duals. Basically, it split your browsing windows according to ratio specified by a user. But if you are currently using Windows 11, then you don't have to use duals. because it's now the default feature in Windows 11, not only just for your browser, also other application too. Number 40. We often need Grammarly spelling accurate sentence. For that reason, you can use Grammarly. It will help you to correct your sentence by suggesting the perfect word. Also, it can detect automatically the spelling mistake. Not only it just can do that, it can do more than that, depend how you use it. And it has 3 versions: free one, premium and business. And you can choose which version is best suitable for you. In free one, you will get spelling, grammar and punctuation. But I think it's better to use, because if you want to make spelling correct, then you have to select the entire word. Then you need to choose which word is best suitable for you. But if you use Grammarly, then you don't have to select entire word. If you just hover over the mistaken word, it will automatically suggest the correct word for you. If you want to download multiple images at once, then you can use a simple lightweight image downloader extension. It will help you to download multiple images at once without saving image one by one, like from Facebook, Instagram, etc. And coming to our last and final extension. Wait, here is the thing. If you want to open this page or link another browser, what are you gonna do? Most probably chances that you will copy that link and open that browser and paste the link and you will search. But now you can use a smart way. Like if you want to open this page in Firefox, then you can use Open in Firefox extension. It will help you to open that particular link or website on that browser. As well as if you use Opera and want to open that page in Internet Explorer, then you can use Open in Internet Explorer extension. Also, you can see here all the Open in extension list also in available store. As you can see here, our favorite player VLC has Open in extension too. By using this extension, you can play video or stream in VLC media player in one single click. Please note, to work Open in extension, you need to install Minimal Native Client application. To install Minimal Native Client application, you can click here for Windows user, or you can click here to browse all the available download option. After download, extract the download package. Now double click the install.bat file. Now you are good to go. And guys, these are our top 60 plus helpful Chrome extension. I hope that will help you to make your job easier in your daily life. And some bonus tips. As you know, when we turn on incognito mode or private mode, whatever you called it, none of the install extension are load up here in incognito mode. And to allow extension in incognito mode, we have to turn it on manually. And if you wish to remove or disable any extension, you can do that from here. And then you can assign a custom shortcut key for every extension as you wish. And that's it. If you want to know how to use Chrome extension on Android, then you can watch this video right here. And if you want to know how to upgrade Windows 11 from Windows 10 without bootable pen drive or losing data, then you can watch this video right here. Chill guys, see you in the next video.